Welcome to the Artificial Professor. In this video I will teach you how you can deactivate or delete your Instagram account. So with that being said, let's jump right into the video. First of all, open Instagram and head over to your profile from the bottom right side of your screen. Once you do, you can see you've had these three lines or the hamburger icon on the top right side of your screen. Simply click on that and head over to Settings in Privacy. Here, you can see this search field where you're going to be typing deactivate. You can see when you type, you have your deactivation or deletion option. Simply click on that and it will be asking you for your account. You can choose deactivation or deletion. You can see you've had two options to choose from. And let's say I want to deactivate our account. Simply click on continue and wait for a couple of moments, and now it will be asking you for your confirmation by your password. So simply enter your password in here, and once you do, you will be able to deactivate or delete your account. So that's a pretty simple process. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video of the Artificial Professor.